Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Delights. So today we are gonna make broken rice upma, which is very easy to make even with less ingredients and very easy recipe. Everyone can try it. Okay, so first here are the ingredients. First we have to take some broken rice of 1 cup like this, and handful of chana dal, and handful of moong dal, and some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some dry chilies. And here we have taken 6 chilies and almost 1 inch of ginger. If you need more spicy, you can add a few more chilies, like more 1 or 2. It's depends on your spice. So then you have to soak this broken rice in water for about 30 minutes. So first, in a cooker, add some oil and heat it up in low flame. Now add all the mustard seeds, jeera, and the 2 dry chilies. After spluttering this, now add the chopped ginger. And now add all the green chilies. Fry it well like this. Now add the chana dal and mix it well. Also add the moong dal. Keep mixing. Fry it well until it's golden brown. After it fries well, for 1 glass of broken rice, add 2 glasses of water. One glass of water is added. Now it's the second glass. It's a very easy recipe, guys. Now add some salt for about 1 teaspoon. You can add it as per your taste. Now we have washed and strained off the water from broken rice. Here how it looks. After the water boils, add the washed broken rice. First, you are supposed to check the taste of the water, this water, and if all the spices are of correct amount, you can add the broken rice. Okay, here how it boils. Now we can add the broken rice. After adding the broken rice, mix it well like this. Now close the lid, and after 3 whistles, let the pressure come down. Then you're ready to open the lid, and our broken rice upma is ready. Now you have to wait until the whistle comes. Here comes our first whistle. Now off the stove. Now wait until the pressure comes down and open the lid. Okay, now let's check if the pressure came down or not. Oh no, we have to wait for some more time. So let's wait. Okay, now the pressure has come down. So let's take it. Yeah. This is how it looks. Yeah, just like that. Now you can happily enjoy it by serving it with ghee on top of it and with some taste of pickle. Yum. So guys, this is our broken rice upma. So please enjoy it. And please do like, share, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.